Try a little spot here in Mexico. Find me a good place to get across the fence. Wading 10-foot deep calm there in mud. So we'll get across right here. I'm getting scratched up too bad. These fish in here used to be. Had to cross 3 or 4 fences to get down in here. I'll try right here. See how I do. Well, let's see how we do today. I ain't fished down here in a good while. I'm gonna quit fishing laurel bed for a little while. It's getting overfished. Can't catch nothing until it gets dark. Ain't nothing but red-eye and bluegill. I can catch him anywhere. There goes that bald eagle. Missed it. Maybe they'll come back. There he is. I believe that was a hawk. Something else is following him. Bigger. He went up in the trees. Fish on. Red eye. There's fish number 1. He ain't too big, boy. He's pretty. Look at that. Woo. Pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Fish number 1. A bald eagle just flew over me about 10 minutes ago or so. I didn't have enough chance to get no footage of it. As soon as he went way up the river, I started seeing fish top of the water down here. Man, you talk about a big bird. I'd much rather encounter a bear out fishing as I would an eagle, man. You wouldn't stand a damn chance. Might sing a national anthem when he flies back through. Every time I see one, I feel patriotic. That's what you ought to do when a football player takes a knee. They ought to stick a damn bald eagle on him. In my opinion, take a knee, lose a tooth. It's a fair trade. But he was another little red eye. Bound to be attacked at one. This is a real knee. Yep. Well, they're nice and healthy in here. That's for sure. Check it out. Not a big one, but man, he's pretty. Yeah. Look at that, boys. Fish on. Feels like a little fish. Bluegill. Fish number 3. Man, these fish look good. Nice and healthy. Look how pretty it is. He ain't big, but look at that. Healthy fish. Beautiful. Right, back you go, buddy. Get another bite. Did he get off? I got him. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Another red eye. Heck yeah. They're not big, but they're plentiful. Look how healthy them fish are for this river to be this low. Look at that. Beautiful coloring on the fish. Healthy. I've seen a blue heron fly by here really fast, dodging in and out of the trees. I was hoping that bald eagle was after him. They eat herons. I'd like to get some video of an eagle attacking something and killing it, eating it. It'd be their shiznit. Back you go, buddy. Fish number 4. I love to be out fishing, messing around out in the woods and see a critter that people don't see sitting at home. See if I can catch one on the retrieve instead of just leaving it. Yep, got a bite. There he is. I did it. He's a fighting. People think you can't catch a fish with a night crawler. By God, you can. Look at that. Y'all seen it. Da-da-da. Look how pretty. Easy now. Easy now, young fellow, I guess. Look how pretty that is. That's a pretty fish right there, boys. Ain't that pretty? It took me about 30 seconds to catch a fish. To find my line, I'm a dime. Easy. Oh, you son of a gun. Come here. Ouch. Spiny son of a bitch. Find me good. Yes, you did. Back in you go. I think that's fish number 5. There he went. Spine be pissed. The cattle's coming out in the water. It's probably going to ruin my fishing. Get out of here. They're coming this way. Cows are coming home for the night. They're going to cross and come across right here beside of me probably. Have a feeling it's going to ruin my fishing. We'll see those. See if I can catch another one before they can. They biting good. Oh, it's another red eye. He's a fighting. Yeah. I love red eyes. Man, that's a beautiful one. Man, look at that sucker. He's good size. He's frying pan size. But I'm going to throw him back. Look at that beautiful fish. Go out there and get bigger, buddy. There he went. Let's see how long it takes me this time. I done got a damn bite. Done got one. I think it's number 7. I just cast it out in the water. Another rock bass. Red eye or oh roll. Pretty nice. Beautiful fish. Don't spine me, you ain't that pretty. I'll bust your ass. You spine me, I'll take you home and eat you. Just for spite. There he went. Brag on how pretty you are and then spine the piss out of me. I got a bite. Come on, buddy. Got you. Number 8. The red eye. I wanna fish you all over and over again. Line just hit the water. Retrieve it kind of slow. Stop about right there. Let's see what happens. And I got a bite already. Man, I got a fish. He's fighting. Oh yeah. Are you a big red eye this time? I wanna fish you all over and over again. Oh yeah, look at that red eye. Yeah, baby. That's a big one. He's a brute. Oh, they might be able to see him. Nice. Frying pan size, boys. See if I can go for a dozen before I go home. Yep, just got him. Did I? Yeah, I got him. And he got off. Damn. It felt like a bass. Rats. Don't worry, I'll get him. See if I can catch that one. I just got off. Yeah, about right there. About right. Yep, there he is. Damn. I knew I'd get him. I believe that's a blue, no? Another red eye. Yep. God, the color of these fish is amazing. Number 9. Don't spine me, boy. See him I catch number 10. There he is. Damn, I just hit the water. I'm on fire this evening, boys. I'm on fire. Little dink. Still a fish, though. Number 10. Let's see how long it takes me to catch number 11. Left my jacket in the truck. It's starting to get a bit nibbly. I'd like to hook me a big bass. Let's see. I just got a bite as soon as I hit the water. Come on. Number 11. Number 11. There you go. Number 11. There you go. He's fighting. Yeah, all right. Look at that. Number 11. Man, I could eat good this evening if I kept them. Get in the camera frame there for you. See if I can cast back in that spot. Get number 12. Good enough. Come on. Yep, there you go. I got you. Damn, it's been a good evening for fishing. Another big chunky red eye. Dang. Can y'all see that bad boy? He's a bruiser. Let's see if we can catch number 13 after dark. Red eyes are getting bigger. There it is. Number 13. The dink. Yep. But a fish, pretty red eye. Number 13 on fire today. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, I guess my total for this evening is going to be a lucky 13. I think the only thing biting now is catfish or turtle. Keep getting my worms. Call our quits on lucky 13.